Are you wondering if the sound quality from the speaker on this smart light sound machine is actually any good? And should you actually get this? Maybe if you want to listen to music, basically. So basically, there are actually different models when it comes to these smart lights. So there are like these smaller ones and also like bigger ones. So the larger ones actually comes with dual speakers, unlike this one, for example. So basically, if I go on AliExpress, for example, this larger one here is actually at a very sweet price. So, and the sound quality on the larger ones, yeah, it's definitely better, as obviously it has actually dual speakers. Also on these larger units, actually the battery inside also is larger and the wireless charging also is better. So I will leave a link basically in comments where you can actually get this. Out of these models, I definitely suggest to go for the largest one. So, but still this small one is still kind of okay, as it's actually very compact. But basically we'll take the microphone. So I actually have some very decent microphone over here, and okay, simply
there was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember.
so yeah, it's actually really cool that we can actually control this music, basically skip tracks, go next, even pause them as well, and also change the volume on this unit as well.
Catch me if I fall. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
So yeah, and this is basically what it actually sounds like. Also, as you can see, I'm actually not running it from wire, so it's purely playing from the like internal battery. And also we actually have this like memory card slot here, so we can either like insert memory card or simply control it from our phone. So basically that's also cool. So overall, I can actually suggest you this device for music listening. Well, if you can actually get it for a cheap price. So again, on AliExpress, basically the smaller unit, basically you can usually get it for like even under $10. So I will actually leave a link basically where I actually got this one. So this is actually really decent for the price, and personally I paid only around $5 for it during some promo. So the prices change all the time, but I will actually leave a link basically to the cheapest place, and this actually fairly decent. But again, if you can actually spend a bit more, then I actually highly suggest you to get this like duo version. But the only problem with that is it's actually much larger, so it's not as compact as this one. But again, you actually have like better internal battery on the larger model, and also the sound quality will be better, and also it has dual speakers, so it also should be louder as well with like better sound, obviously. So yeah, I'll leave a link basically where you can get both of these. Yeah, anyway, good luck everyone.